Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Anker 15 watt 3-in-1 charging stand. So here's everything that comes in the box. It's a pretty big box it comes in. So we're going to take it. This is what it looks like. We're going to plug USB-C in the back. It's got MagSafe for our phone, our watch, and our AirPods. So we can plug right wirelessly charge. Okay, looks like we got some stickers here for the watch, charger, and a cable. Okay, so the cable that comes with it is USB-C to USB-C. Here's the wall charger. It's got a single USB-C output. We're going to plug that in. Now we can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 12 volts, 3 amps, 15 volts, 2.66 amps, or 20 volt, 2 amps. Now, even though that is capable of all those different voltages, we're going to get 15 watts for the iPhone, 5 watts for the Apple Watch, and 5 watts for the AirPods. Total wattage is 25 watts, so it will fast charge an iPhone. All right, let's measure sticks out from the wall. 2 inches, inch, and inch and a half. All right, let's just simply plug. This has a lot of weight to it. That's like a pad, that's like a gripper surface. This thing feels really nice. Now nothing turns. And you're simply going to put the phone, it's magnetically going to charge it. And it does fast charge an iPhone. You can even put it on sideways. And you'll get this is like for a nightstand display. Then you simply just put the watch on, and you're going to put the AirPods right here. And the little light is glowing. So Apple Watch, AirPods, and we can put our phone and turn it into like a nightstand where it'll display the clock and the calendar. Pretty nice. It's very, very stable. Very stable. Here's the stickers. You can put these, it says, you can stick these onto where the Apple Watch goes, right here. It says it has no impact on charging. And you can peel that off. Oh, that's just that. It says to use this sticker to stabilize the Apple Watch while charging. No impact on charging. I'm actually not sure what it does. It's sticky on one side, and it's just like normal paper on the other. Huh. Not sure how that would help. I don't have a problem. My Apple Watch, this is an Ultra. It sticks right to it. All right, let's go over. Overall height is right at about 6.5 inches. The stand, 5.5 inches. You know, the cable does stick out the back, so you're going to need about 7 inches before it starts turning. You want to be careful with that. Yeah, you can put the AirPods right there. The charging light comes on. You can put your phone any way you'd like, and you're ready to go. This is a very nice, stable stand to put by your bed. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.